Amidst vibrant community engagement and government backing, Benguet Province witnessed the triumphant launch of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair. Mela Lesmoras tells us more.
Joyful, festive, and full of surprises. That's how the launching of Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair transpired, followed by a star-studded unity concert. Yesterday, House Speaker Martin Romualdez spearheaded the opening ceremony of the event, and he was joined by more than 60 congressmen and other local and national government officials.
Yun po talaga ang hangarin at yun po ang dahilan kung bakit nandito tayo. Kaya hindi natin tayo pabaya. Alam mo naman, nandito tayo, miski linggo. Yan din ang commitment ng ating mahal na presidente na kada probinsya sa Pilipinas, itong Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, pupuntahan natin kayo po lahat. Kaya lahat kayo, testigo, saksi nito.
The BPSF Caravan aims to bring government services, programs, and aid closer to people. And according to the organizers, the project launching in Benguet was definitely a success. One of the main highlights in the caravan was the Lab for All, which provided various medical services for the people. There were also regulatory services in which residents were able to get their birth certificates, NBI clearances, and passports, among others. But wait, various financial assistance were also offered, like the Doles Tupad program.
Bilang isang OFW, magagamit ko ulit ito pang-apply dito na sa ating lokal na Gagamitin ko siya pangkuha ng requirements kung anong hinihingi ng applyan ko.
Overall, more than 412 million pesos of aid, services, and programs were distributed to 80,000 beneficiaries in the province. Apart from BPSF Caravan, the Cash Assistance and Rice Distribution or CARD program, Integrated Scholarships and Incentives or EASY program for the youth, and Startup Investment Business Opportunity and Livelihood or CBOL program were also launched in Benguet.
I would like also to take this opportunity to thank the President na walang sawang magtrabaho sa kaunlad ng bawat Pilipino sa ating bansa. Of course, siya po Martin Romualdez na noon hanggang ngayon tumutulong sa probinsya ng Benguet.
Ngayon, masasabi ko, ang Benguet ay hindi na lang basta Benguet. Ang Benguet ay tinitingala na. Ang Benguet po ay minamahal na. At ang Benguet ay patuloy pang makikilala sa buong Pilipinas.
This has been the 15th Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair in the country, and the caravan is set for launching in other provinces and cities too in the coming weeks and months. Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.